Sir, I need to report something suspicious.
Oh yeah, what's that?
When we were doing the security sweep earlier, the sound it makes when the procedure is complete sounded different.
When are you getting to the part where you need to report something?
That's what I'm reporting, sir. It sounded wrong.
How can a sound wrong?
Well, it was a different pitch or a different sort. McGillicuddy, you were there. What was that? Are you sure you're not just being paranoid? What's that supposed to mean?
Okay, you two, no, not now. And, well, describe the sound.
It was a dink, dink.
Again?
Dink. No, it wasn't. It was more like a boop, boop, but usually it's a bloop.
Okay, the boop here is you, McGillicuddy, and the dink is probably Claiborne.
This is far from helpful, sir.
Hey, what do I have to go on? A blink and a doop. I can't deal with this kind of thing when I have doubloon breathing down my neck as if he's the lion and I'm the owl. Okay? Deal with it on your own, in your own way that doesn't involve me or me overhearing you, please.
I would have said it was more of a blonk.
Gregor, are you 100% joking me?